Hi guys! So for today, mangita ta sa mga ECE. Tapos mamakutan tanong pinagkaiba sa ECE kag EE. So tara guys, let's go!
Sabihin ko na.
Hi! Ano yung nga course?
ECE.
Electrical? Hindi! Electronics! Ano pinagkaiba sa electrical and electronics?
Ang difference ng electrical and electronics is that we study more on signals and electronic devices.
Gaan nag-ECE ka?
Kay daghan mga opportunities na mga works like
Code 3.
so, wala nag-choose ni ECE.
Okay!
There will be no electronics engineer if there are no ECE faculty.
Well, it's quite a tough question, but
First and foremost, there is no thing as easy when you are not genuinely interested.
I think I already saw how challenging our curriculum is and how even challenging our board exam is.
ECE is not actually easy. It is you who will make it easier.
But I think that's the beauty of being in ECE because we take pride in our prestigious course. No? Some say that we have the most difficult engineering curriculum and board exam, and parang we take advantage of that idea. It gives us actually pride for us to be able to be in the ECE profession.
So take note of the word, easy. I take A. Lalagay ko sa GI ko ay napapay GEI. Anong matitira doon? It's yes. Anong ilalagay ko? Lord your? Yes. You can pay. And then, definitely, you really can say, ECE is easy.
We have here seasoned faculty. The four of us, ECEs, are already in the profession. They have been for quite a long time. In fact, also, here in Denyu, our dean for the College of Engineering, Architecture, and Technology is an ECE. The second is the school is actually ASCO accredited to our level 2 in electronics engineering. Also, here in NMU, we have state-of-the-art facilities and laboratories. In fact, we have also tie-ups with other agencies or industries. In fact, here at NMU, we are the first school in Mindanao to have a partnership with Smart Communications. And the last one is there is camaraderie among the students, and I think that's very important as a college student. From the things I have said a while ago, I'm very sure that ECE is
Always remember that the most explicit evidence of advancement in every field or discipline is because of information and communications technology. Thus, our presence is necessary for almost every endeavor. You are on the right track. Good luck, and I hope to see you practicing the profession in the near future.